Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add, delete or configure a user on your Google Pixel 9 Pro. So to do this operation, slide up, then go down to the settings, search for a system, scroll down and go to the users. And as you see, we can allow user switch. You can allow to switch your user. From here you can add the user, your phone. Yeah, you can set up the switch or user or turn on the phone calls. And as you see, when you have a new user, you can of course delete this user if you wish. You can add a guest to check your phone if you wish. And you can delete guest activity, allow Quest to make your phone calls, or add user from the lock screen. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!